In this video I will show you how to create double exposure effect in Adobe Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Black and White. Follow these settings. Now we will select both of these layers, right-click, and choose Merge Layers. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Solid Color. Choose this white color and press OK. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select this image and click on Place. Adjust the image. Change the blending mode to screen. Add a mask. Alt-press create a clipping mask. Go to Brush tool. Down the opacity. Down the flow. Now we will brush the brush on the side of the image. Now we will select the image layer. And then we will go to the adjustment layer and choose Hue Saturation. Now we will adjust the color here. Go to File and choose Place Embedded. Select this image and click on Place. Adjust the image. Change the blending mode to Multiply. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.